Hey, good morning. It is another great day. I'm your host, Jeff SKI Kinsey. This is just a quick shout out. A lot of activity this morning. As you can see, I'm in the mobile recording studio. Today, it is a Tesla Model X. How cool is that? That is very cool. Elon Musk called this the Fabergé egg of automobiles. Very eclectic. A lot of neat, cool little features. Hey, but I want to invite you to a workshop I'm doing on current reality trees. Now that is Goldratt speak, the late Dr. Ellie Goldratt. That's what he called root cause analysis. Okay? And he figured out, like I did, Deming's approach, the fishbone method, a little chart for figuring it out, is inconclusive at best, okay? But they say, even a blind squirrel can find an acorn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through about an hour, and then I'm going to give you follow-up for the next 30 days via phone, text message, email, maybe Zoom, maybe even Slack. But give you 30 days of follow-up, and we'll be able to bat ideas back and forth. Okay, I want you to get value out of this. Here's the thing. In 9 minutes, I believe I can convince you that if you don't understand root cause analysis in the world of constraints management, I can convince you in 9 minutes you have to know how this works. But the cool thing is, in about 90 minutes, you can apply it to your business, and within 9 days, fix the stuff, the policies mostly that are holding your company back. And within 90 days, you should be able to see double the revenue